Hello, my name is Ethan and I will be teaching you how to understand exponents. Exponents look like this. If you see that little number in the top right corner, that's the exponent. To find the value of exponents, you have to multiply the number by itself as many times as the little number is. So you would have to multiply this 2 by itself 3 times because the exponent is 3. For example, 5 to the power of 3 is 5 times 5 times 5. And that's the easier way to do it. So 5 times 5 equals 25, and 25 times 5 equals 125. The second question is 10 to the power of 5. So 10 to the power of 5 is 10 times 10 times 10. But I have a little trick with the number 10. So instead of doing 10 times 10 times 10, you can do this trick. Whatever the exponent is the amount of zeros the number has. You can pause the video and try 10 to the power of 5. And the next question. So the answer is 100,000. See, so it will be 1 with some more zeros, so 100,000, because it's 5. So 5 zeros. 7 to the power of 3 is the last question. So the easy way is 7 times 7 times 7. And 7 times 7 equals 49. 49 times 7 equals 343. If the questions were hard, try multiplying two of the same numbers, then multiplying the product by the number you chose. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.